Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn V-Ray lightings. So today we are not going to import any V-Ray lights like rectangular light, omni light, spotlight, but we are going to choose light from the Chaos Cosmos. So already I have uploaded one video on the Chaos Cosmos. You can go back and check that particular video. So we will get the ideas for that. So let's start how to import the light. So here we are having cosmos. In that we can apply the material varieties of material we are having with the settings. Again we are having so many types of furnitures like living room, bathroom, office. Likewise they have given the all the furnitures like instead of 3D warehouse you can go through those model and furniture. So next here you will get the V-Ray material library, and again here you can search for the materials. So here you are having the 2000 asset for like you can search for likewise with name they have given that material. So how to import, how to use that already I have explained. So now I'm not going to focus on the material. Our main motto is to apply the lightings from the V-Ray Cosmos. So let's do that. So here in 3D models we have to go, and then we have to search for the lightings. So here I'll search for the lightings. You can search by name as well, which type of light you want. Accordingly you can choose the lights. So here I'll go for the ceiling light, so I'll search this. So here you'll get the option to download. Then once if you will download, here it will get to it will ask you to import. So just select this button, then here it will ask to import where you want to place. There you have to select this light. So here I'll place exactly on the ceiling, and then I will move it little upward direction. Then we will do scaling. So we will see the how the appearance of this slide. So what we have to do, go for the V-Ray and asset editor. There we have to go for the settings, and just we will do the set test render for this. So we will cross check whether that light it is blowing or not, and then we will get the idea. So now as you can see the light it is blowing. So what we have to do, just select the light, particular light, and then go for the settings. So what where you will get that setting, once if you will select here it will get reflect, and then here you have to select the options. So here which type of presentation you want, represent how to like low you want, high you want, point out, bounding voice box. Likewise, suppose if I will do point, again we will do the render for that particular light. So as you can see the difference in it. So what, so here you will get the different option for that. So once again I'll repeat that. Suppose if I will do point with origin, whatever here from that it will come the whatever reflection for that light. Next to that, if I will select the bounding box option, so as you can see, the whatever representation of that light, it will get changed to the box. So accordingly, you can select the whatever types and options they have given. But now here it is not reflecting. What? Why? We have to check the settings again. So one time it will take the problem with that whatever changes we have done. Again here you can check. Here we are unable to give the high representation for this light, so we will do it low. So once if you will give low, automatically it will get. Next we can change the intensity for this light, and then we can change the color for this light. Suppose if I want red, you can give it from here, and intensity you can change manually. By default it will come with the settings, but if you want any changes you can see. Now I have increased the intensity, and then you can see the whatever output we are getting here. So the light it is reflecting on the floor as well as wall, and I have given the red color, and intensity I have increased. So this is the one type I have explained for you. So we will see more 2 3 more options for this V-Ray Cosmos light, and then we will get the idea for that. So next we will see any We will search for the lamp. Now here we will see the lamp. Then I'm going to import any one of this, and then we will do the modification for that particular lamp. Suppose this lamp, so first of all I'll download it and then we will import for project. So now you can see how the lamp it is. So I'm going to import, I'll place exactly on the table and then we will scale it. Then we will go for the V-Ray settings, and then here already lamp table it has came. Then we will change the intensity and the color, let it be white only. First we will see the render and then afterwards we will change the settings. So now as you can see, the intensity I have given little bit, so it is so, but I want more intensity so that it can reflect on the table as well. So here I'll change the intensity again. This much is enough for me as it is reflecting on the teapot as well, and here little bit. So likewise you can import any light from the Cosmos. We are having huge collection for that, and with settings and with good appearance they have given the lights here as you can see. You have to select the type according to your room, which type of room you are having, whether you are having simple like decent room texture or any modern type. Accordingly you can select the light and then you can import and you can just change the intensity and color from V-Ray settings. And then after placing any light, you have to just do the test render. Then after that, you have to go for the final render. So this thing always I'll repeat for in every video. Why? Because so many of you without testing any render or without checking the settings, you will go for the final render and then you will get to find the mistakes what we have done. So don't do that. Don't repeat the same mistakes. And always, whenever you are applying any material, any light you are importing, at that time only you have to check the test render and then only you have to go for the final render. So this concept I want to explain for this video. So this is a, we can call it as a Cosmos. From that we have imported the lights, so no need to import a light from the video or no need to create anything. If you want any beautiful appearance or to create any good render one, that time you can use this Cosmos light. So I hope you understand this easy concept. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the watching.